I'm going to show you how to set up a new class in Edpuzzle. So maybe this is the first time using it, or maybe you chose to make a new Google Classroom for second semester, and you will need to set up a new Edpuzzle class as well. So just make sure you archive the old classes just to avoid clutter, but there's a video on how to do that. So if you're setting up a new class, the absolute first thing you should do if you already have Google Classroom is to have your classes set up. So if you are doing a second semester Google Classroom, make the classes, and then you can always resync the students when they join. So just do that step ahead of time to just save you some time. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you. So when you log into Edpuzzle, you're gonna wanna go over to My Classes, and you can see those are your current classes. So if you archive them, again, I'll just show you really quickly, just archive, and then you can go ahead and add additional classes. So if you want to go add a class, so you go ahead and you add a class and you enter all the information, your period number, your description, your grade level, subject, all that, and you go ahead and create your class. Okay, you would click this. You're going to end up with a class that you would go ahead and select, and then you could see once I select that class that it's going to give me that class code. Okay, and then you can invite students by either copying a link or copying that class code and sharing it either through Google Classroom or email or some way that you have of communicating with your students. So that would be one way. To me, that's the longer way and the least efficient way. But if you already have your Google Classroom set up, this is what I would do: is go to Add and then click over to Connect LMS, so your Learning Management System, and you're going to select a Google Classroom that you want to link or sync up. It's very important just to remember that your classes from, say, last semester and this semester look different. So like I put the underscore on the ones for this semester. You may want to just put S2 at the end, again, just to keep it straight. It's kind of like a personal preference. But let's just go ahead and say that I want to add this period, and then I can go ahead and select my grade level and my subject and then import my class. Now, I don't have any students in there right now, which is fine, okay? Because when I actually do get students in there, I can just go ahead and import it from Google Classroom. So when I get students, I select that, and the new student list or class members will be generated, okay? That'll make more sense once you actually have students in there. But it is a quicker, more efficient way to add a class.